Hey guys, back here again with the second part of my 2006 Razor Poker pack opening, doing the last 24, so here we go. Looking for an autograph, so hopefully this part goes a lot smoother. Nothing stuck together too much. So Juan Carlos Morrison, Hoyt Kirkins, Amir Vadi, Phil Lack, TJ Cloutier, and we have Cindy Violet, Chris Moneymaker, Chip Jet, Joe Hatcham, Phil Hellmuth, and Super Showdowns. Alright, we got Scotty Wynn, Kathy Liebert, Joe Hatcham, Super Showdowns, Lane Flack, and Greg Raymer. Alright, Mike Matzow, Michael Mizzachi, Showdowns, Greg Raymer, another Showdowns, and Daniel Negreanu. Alright, we got Showdowns, TJ Cloutier, Eric Lindgren, Ted Forrest, Phil Hellmuth, and Jennifer Harmon. See if I can get this done before my camera dies. Alright, Eric Settle, Sean Shakan, and Super Showdowns, Scotty Wynn, another Eric Settle, and TJ Cloutier. So, base cards are really clean looking. This is the picture of the person, and just a nice silver on the bottom, little border thing. And it's very clean looking. I like it. Alright. Kenna James. Super Showdowns. Chris Moneymaker. Josh Arya. And then this one's just cut a little different. You got the little white line at the bottom there. It's not cut the best. This one too, with a little black at the bottom. So, just like all cards, they aren't cut perfectly every time, so. Ted Forrest, Lane Flack, Phil Hellmuth, Kenna James. Still forget how to pronounce her name. And another Super Showdown. And we got a checklist. Really cool. So there's the front. Everything there. And the back. So there is 76 total cards, and the checklist is 76. And then there's 37 Showdown signatures, and there are 4 memorabilia cards. So 36 signature cards and 5 memorabilia cards total. So that's always good to know. Definitely won't get all those, probably anything in these packs, but you can always hope. I didn't know there was memorabilia cards, so that's really cool. Chris Moneymaker, Josh Arya, Phil Hellmuth, Daniel Negreanu, and John Jawanda. Super Showdowns. Daniel Negreanu. There's Men the Master, Eric Sedell. Another checklist, TJ Cloutier. Chris Moneymaker, Ted Forrest, Jennifer Tilly. Super Showdown, David Williams, and Daniel Negreanu. And we have Phil Hellmuth, Daniel Negreanu, John Jawanda, Sammy Farha, Isabel Mercer, and Super Showdown. Hopefully I'll get a complete base set out of these. I'm opening up quite a few, so I'm really like just putting together base sets of stuff. Be football, baseball, poker, anything like that. It's really fun just to try to complete the base set. That's the kind of collector I am. Don't get me wrong, I do love autographs and everything like that, but they're really hard to come by, and you really don't pull them unless you buy hobby boxes and stuff like that. So, and then you're not even guaranteed somebody good. So, all right, Chris Moneymaker, Chip Jet, Joe Hatcham, Phil Hellmuth, Super Showdown, and another Super Showdown. There's Jerry Buss, Super Showdown, Eric Sedell, Sean Sheehan, Super Showdown, and Scotty Wynn. All of them are stuck. Alright, Super Showdown, Daniel Negreanu, Men the Master, Eric Sedell, another checklist. Cool to be getting checklists so I know what's there. And TJ Cloutier. I like when the set includes a checklist, just you know what's there, and it's direct from the manufacturer and how many cards and everything like that. So I like set checklists. And there's a Showdown, Amir Vahi, Phil Lack, TJ Cloutier, Jerry Buss, and Super Showdown. Man, they put so much glue on these packs. The glue they used to seal the packs that these were in just got all over the packs, and it was just way too much. Yeah, it's a cool one. Greg Raymer, Mike Metzow. Alright. Scotty Wynn, Eric Sedell, TJ Cloutier, Mike Metzow, Michael Mizrachi, and a Super Showdown. Only a few more packs to go. Almost done. Hoyt Kirkins, Super Showdown, Mike Metzow, Antonio Esferrande, Men the Master, and Cindy Violet. And we have Phil Hellmuth, Super Showdown, another Super Showdown, TJ Cloutier, Eric Lindgren, and Ted Forrest. Daniel Negreanu, Super Showdown, Ted Forrest, Lane Flack, Phil Hellmuth, and Kenna James. And our last pack of the bunch, number 48. Michael Gratze, Todd Brunson, Super Showdown, Phil Hellmuth, Super Showdown, and Scotty Wynn. So that will do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this opening. It was a lot of fun. Really good quality cards. I like this. Really nice quality. So nice shine to them and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.